Anybody who does not pay tax is unpatriotic. He is not deserving to be called Ghanaian. If Chada says he has paid all his taxes up to date and that he's been disgraced and embarrassed, you know how to go to court. This is not the first time you are threatening that you are going to court. You know the way to court. And again, you have the chance to come and sit on social media and write all these things. Why don't you post your tax certificate? Talk is cheap. Post the certificate. Put out your receipt and say, listen, I paid. Oh, these people are liars. Then we can take it up and run with it. You can't sit down and back and say the people should invite you so that you will go in your suit and lions and tigers and go and sit down there and frighten them with your lions and tigers. Debbie, Jatano de Esronoba, Sibono su Esropa. So we will invite you. Post your certificate. Post your tax certificate. Post the receipt. Post it. If there's anything on it that is sensitive, blot it out. You know how to do it. Talk is cheap. Talk is cheap. If you want to be president, please be transparent.